Welcome to Ben's Experience. In this video, I will share with you how to edit your password page design on Shopify. First, visit shopify.com, then click on Login to log in to your Shopify account. Now, below Sales Channels, click on Online Store. Make sure to select Themes. And next to your current theme, click on this Customize Black button. Now from the top, click on home page and search for your password page. This is it. Click on it. And now that you've selected your password page, you can start editing the page design. First, click on password header, and here you can select different scheme colors for your header. For example, you can go with this dark, with this blue. These colors or these scheme colors depends on your Shopify theme, and you can also edit specific scheme colors, or your overall theme settings. For example, here you can add a new scheme color, and you can fill in your background color, gradient, text color, solid button color, and so on. A useful website that I recommend you use to get color patterns is this one. It's called coolers.com. Click on explore trending palettes, and here you can just click on this any color you want, and you can fill it here. Let's replace the old one, and just like that I can edit, or I can create a new scheme color. Now let's go back to your password page design settings. Click on this settings icon, and now click on return, and let's start editing this center of, or below the header of your password page. Click on email sign up banner, and now you can set a new background image. Let's use this image, for example, and just like that the background is changed. You can edit the overlay opacity to make it a little bit dark. For the height, you can select adapt to height or small, like that. I think small is better. For the content, or the content of your email sign up banner, you can position it in different. I think the middle center is the correct one. And for the alignment, you can go with left or right or center. The container, you can use this container, and for this container you can edit the container color scheme. And for mobile, before editing anything here, because you will not see it because you are on the desktop preview, first jump to mobile or switch to mobile from here, and now you can edit your email sign up banner alignment. Show text below image. You can go with this photo background, or stack text below image. Now let's return to the settings page, and now let's jump to the email or the text, or before that let's edit the email sign up heading. Here you can edit this opening soon text. You can go with this page is password protected, or this star. And for the heading size, you can go with extra large, small. And now let's return to the text of your, this is the text of your password protected page. Now fill in your password here. For the style, you can go with subtitle or body. I will go with, I will keep it body. And for the email form, no settings you can customize, or no customizable settings available. And for the footer, to edit this footer, click on password footer block. Before we continue, I want to let you know that you can get access to my online course called Shopify for Beginners today for free. Inside this course, you will learn many things, including how to get started with Shopify, how to set up your online store, add products and collections, manage your store pages and navigation, add payment methods, launch your store, manage it, also doing marketing for it. To get access to all of this today, plus my other available online courses inside my university, just go to university.bensexperience.com, link in the description. Without any further ado, let's continue our video. To edit this footer, click on password footer block, and you can edit the color scheme from your list, or add a color scheme, or add a new color scheme as we've seen before. And here, let's add my social icon, my social icons. To do that, you need to fill in your social links. For example, Twitter link here, Facebook link here, and you will start seeing your social icons in your footer. And this is how to edit your password page design in Shopify. If you still have a question, leave it in the comments below, and don't forget to give this video a like. Thank you.